All right, so here it is. You can see it's pretty dry here now. So I've got to run the sprinklers. I'm going to run them tonight, and then they're going to run tomorrow. And I may have to replace this one because it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. It's not coming all the way up. You see that? So I may have to get a new one, just like that. May have to get a new one there. I mean, look at it. Turn it. There we go. Yeah, that's not working at all, is it? Come on up. All the way up. Yeah, see the water's shooting out of here. So I need a new one of these. Definitely need a new one of those. All right, so that's going to be on my list for Home Depot. All right, so anyway, this one is not working right. So I purchased a new one, and hopefully it should be okay. And all I have to do is go to the left, and it should just come out. But it looks like I got to grab it on the bottom because it's not unscrewing. It should just unscrew right here. But look, when I turn it, oh yes, now it's done it. There we go. So this is a pretty simple switch. I just pop this baby off of here, just like that. And then I just got to put this one on. So easy, right? And then we got to calibrate it. So this one does, I think, 180 degrees. Let's get her on there. That's it. So here we are, we've got this. And it should shoot like right here, unless I've got it backwards. So it should go this way. We'll find out in a second. This one was cracked and it was squirting out of different spots, but now we got a new one. It should work good. So let's go turn on the, we're gonna go turn on the first station. Throw that one away. And it's pretty simple. All I gotta do is press it once, and it goes to the first thing. I go to the manual button on my RainBird, click it, and now we can go look. See how she's doing. Oops, they're squirting. Cross your fingers. Oh, man, we got lucky, didn't we? Take a look. All right, looks good. Not bad, huh? All right, I think we did a good job. Oh, now I just got to check all the rest of them and see if they're working. Turn her off. We just come on back here again. I just got to go through the series here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I see the day right there, Thursday, I just leave it right there. Put the thing back on, and we're done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff.